hello. I just made it to see the locomotives coming in. Oh, now they should be leaving now. Should be going that direction. There's the K-5 LAs. What number do we have? 6901. Cab car 6901. Train should be leaving soon. Which direction? That'll be the SC44 will be hauling it. I probably should have come a bit earlier. But hey, whatever. I got to see a train actually. Thankfully the southbound should be coming in soon. So that's a breath of fresh air. Come on. Now the train is leaving. Doors are closing. Let's see this cab car leave. Whoop. The brakes have been let. The brakes have been let go now. Oh, the conductor's hopping out into the SC44. The train should be leaving. Oh, there it goes. The train is leaving on time. Should be blowing his horn. Train has left. There goes the train. Now on the southbound. So that would have been the northbound. Incredible zoom. Speeds off. I wonder when the southbound's gonna come in. Oh, I got that train in. The southbound should be waiting for the northbound to come in. Then the northbound. The southbound's probably waiting for the northbound to leave. The southbound's probably held up at a station. Just waiting for the departure of the northbound. Pretty helpful if I do say so myself. Gives me adequate time to set up my tripod while having to somehow hold my camera at the same time. That's a bad idea. Well, yeah, that's a southbound. For you, northbound, I guess. There's the stop button. There it is. Well, that's a new one. I've never seen one of those cross the track before. I caught it just in time. Well, that's a new one. Wonder where he's going. Is he turning? Oh, he hasn't hit the switch yet. Well, that's a new one. Never seen a wayside. Oh, here comes the train. Train's coming. Finally. Finally, after so long, the train is finally coming. However, that does look like a cab car. Actually, it's coming in very quietly. There goes those new Chargers. Finally, I got to see them come in. Let's go up ahead to see what's going on, okay? Okay. I'm tired of this, but at least the trains came in now. like, is anybody here? I see one person here, but I don't think they're actually hopping aboard. If they're just waiting for me, then boy, oh boy, I feel special. Let's catch this charger in action. So the chargers aren't that bad, big deal. There goes the charger. We'll blow the K5 LAs. Come on, blow your horns. Come on, blow your horns. 2109, that's the locomotive number. I want to hear your K5 LAs. Come on. Blow a K5. I can zoom in extremely.